What you can do to become a successful affiliate marketer. A lot of people working online are doing so because they've always dreamed of becoming their own boss and running their own successful business. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make this happen. But, first you need to understand exactly what affiliate marketing is, and how it works. In this video, you will learn about how to make affiliate marketing work for you. You should only promote affiliate products that add value to your visitors' lives. Promoting inferior products just to make a quick buck is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with your readers. Once that trust is broken, it is impossible to regain. However, if you focus on providing value in the products you recommend, your readers will come to trust your recommendations and will continue to buy from you again and again. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. Becoming your own boss would certainly be nice, but it's not going to happen unless you soak up valuable information and use it wisely. Watching and understanding this video is a good first step in the process. Just remember that it's not the only step. Learn more about marketing and then create a solid business plan to improve your chances. Student loan.